Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is Asad Yaqub, and once again I welcome you to my cue card videos. So this cue card is quite important. The topic is describe a place where you go. Go, went, gone. Go is first form of the verb, right? It means this cue card is all present tense, right? So describe a place where you go to do outdoor activities. Now outdoor activities can be sports, anything like that, walk, jogging, playing badminton. Badminton can be indoor or outdoor, otherwise football, cricket, and all that. Such type of activities are actually called outdoor activities. So describe a place where you go to do outdoor activities. Now what are the cues? Where is it located? Now this is all about the location of the place. Where is it located? Second, what activities you can do at this place, and you will talk about a number of activities. You can actually signpost your answer first of all, secondly, thirdly, finally. How often do you go there? Frequency, every day, every week, every month, and all that, or twice a day. And finally, why do you like this place? So these are the cues, and by the way, it is not compulsory to cover all the cues. If you miss any, there is no problem as long as you speak on the topic. So let's make us start. Well, the place where I would love to go for outdoor activities is a club which is located in Lahore, Kent, and the club is Defence Officers Services Club. We call it DSOM as well. Okay, I love this club very much, and I go there at least once or twice a week. This club is located in the heart of Lahore, Kent. There is one roundabout, we call it Church Roundabout, and it is actually there very close to that, and the whole facility is wonderful. There are a number of activities that I can participate in at this place. First of all, they've got tennis, they've got lawn tennis, right? They've got table tennis, and they do have badminton as well. On the other hand, there is a wonderful playground for football, and there are several matches which are held, especially on Saturday night. There is always a football match. Apart from this, there are some indoor activities like gym and swimming, and I also participate in such type of activities too. Well, I go there regularly, at least once or twice a week, but sometimes every day, as I am the member of this club. On the other hand, they have a gym, and they do have some facilities like jogging and walking. They've got a nice track. That is why I try to go there every day, but otherwise I go there a couple of times in a week. Well, I love this place for a variety of reasons. I love this place because there are some beautiful restaurants there. One of my favorite restaurants is Cafino, and I often go there to enjoy food and drink, and their tea coffee facility is very good. And they do have some Chinese restaurants there, and there is a continental restaurant where I go and enjoy steak. Overall, this place is wonderful. That is why I love to go there. See that? Okay. Now what I spoke, there is a club, DSOM, right? And I go there at least once or twice a week. So I exaggerated a little about the club. I mean, I talked about some things which they don't even have, but I talked about them. But overall, as the club exists, so it becomes easier for me to speak. So if you talk about something that exists, then it becomes easier for you to speak. Otherwise, you'll have to imagine. But if your imagination is strong, you can equally express about that very thing. There is no problem. All the best, guys. I also teach Ielts online all over the world and on campus here in Lahore. If you wish to be the part of my online or on campus Ielts classes, my WhatsApp number is given. You can contact me for that. Asad Yaqub truly wishes you all the best. Take care. Allah Hafiz.